Looking for the best CPU cooler for the Ryzen 5 7600? Even though the 7600 runs cooler than its higher tier sibling, the 7600X, a reliable cooler is still essential. A good cooler keeps temperatures in check during intense gaming or demanding tasks, ensuring consistent performance without throttling. In this video, I've handpicked the two best CPU coolers for the 7600, while prioritizing performance, value, and noise levels. Price information and all CPU coolers mentioned in the video are available in the description. So let's get started first with my best budget pick, the ID Cooling SE903XT. ID Cooling 903XT is the entry-level model in ID Cooling's line of single-tower air coolers, which includes models like the SE914XT and the SE224XT. The 914XT is the oldest of the three, and both of the newer models feature better build quality, wider compatibility with AM5 and LGA 1700/1851, and lower noise levels. In terms of appearance, the 903XT is not going to blow you away. You can get the ARGB version for a bit more flair, but it's going to cost you some more money. The standard black version of the cooler doesn't look bad by any means, it just looks like every other single-tower cooler out there. It has a 92mm fan, 3 direct contact heat pipes, and a compact footprint. There are no corners cut here in terms of materials or construction, the fin stack array is dense, the fan features anti-vibration padding, and the installation process is very easy. The cooler has a total height of 123mm, which means it can fit into a lot of mini ITX cases with ease. A minor complaint with the cooler is that attaching the fan clips to the fins can be a bit difficult, and the included manual does not explain these steps properly. This won't be a problem for experienced builders, but novice or first-time builders will struggle with it. Thankfully, that's about as far as it goes in terms of complaints. Performance-wise, the SE903XT does an excellent job, and it can cool a CPU like the Ryzen 5 7600 with ease. As long as you use this cooler with a CPU that has a TDP of 65 watts, you won't have any issues. Temperatures stay well below 80 degrees Celsius at full load while gaming, and the idle temperatures are somewhere around 35 to 40 degrees. Most of the time while gaming, the temperature will stay around 70 to 75 degrees Celsius. Not much more to ask for from a single-tower cooler with 3 heat pipes. The fan can spin up to a max speed of 2,200 RPM, but that will rarely happen, especially when using it with the Ryzen 5 7600. It can get loud if it reaches those levels, but during everyday use, such as gaming, the fan noise is not noticeable at all. In terms of competition, you can get the Thermalright Assassin X120 for around the same price. While the Thermalright cooler will have slightly better performance, the ID Cooling SE904XT has lower noise levels and wider compatibility for mini ITX cases. It's ever so slightly cheaper than the Thermalright, and the performance difference between these coolers is marginal. For most people, it's a sensible choice to save a bit of cash with the 904XT, especially if you have a 65-watt CPU. To conclude, the SE904XT is a fantastic budget CPU cooler that delivers respectable performance when paired with a budget CPU like the Ryzen 5 7600. While you shouldn't be pairing this cooler with any chip that can draw over 125 watts, it handles lower-end and mid-range 65-watt CPUs like a champ. To sum up, what I like is the great performance for the money, the compact footprint for mini ITX builds, and the respectable noise levels. On the downside, generic design, and the fan installation is a bit tough. Before we continue to the best value CPU cooler for the Ryzen 5 7600, it would really help us continue making more videos if you support us by just hitting the like button and subscribe, or even with a comment so that I know if you like it or if there's something I can do to improve next time. I promise, it costs nothing, just a few seconds. So now, let's continue with the best value CPU cooler for the Ryzen 5 7600. Thermalright is a well-established name in the cooling industry at this point, and they're certainly not compromising anything with their Thermalright Frozen Note 240 either. This cooler has a high-speed external pump with speeds of 5,300 RPM, which is not a common sight, allowing it to handle intensive workloads with ease. Let's find out exactly how well it performs. The Thermalright Frozen Note 240 is packaged with cardboard, foam, and plastic to protect the components. Inside the box, you get the 240mm radiator with two 120mm fans that are pre-installed, mounting brackets for Intel and AMD platforms, fan adapters, and a user manual. The cooler doesn't come with thermal paste pre-applied, so you also get a thermal paste tube for manual application. Looking at the design and build of this cooler, it's well built, just like you'd expect from Thermalright products. CPU coolers are often based on Asetek designs with some modifications, but the Thermalright Frozen Note 240 features an external pump. And as mentioned before, this pump can reach a max speed of 5,300 RPM. Such designs are not commonly found in the cooling market, and it surely is a nice addition. The top of the pump features an infinity mirror with ARGB lighting and the Thermalright logo in white, while the bottom features a copper contact plate directly touching the CPU. The radiator is 277mm in length, with a thickness of 27mm, meaning it should fit most cases without any worries. The cooler comes in two traditional colors, black and white. There's also a 360mm radiator option available, which comes with a triple fan setup and a much bigger radiator, offering even better cooling. In performance, the Frozen Note 240 really hits a home run. The cooler is able to provide better results than competitors like the Deepcool AG500 and even Be Quiet Pure Loop 2 FX. When running Cinebench, the Frozen Note 240 maintains the temperature well within the 50 degrees Celsius range. On the other side, Deepcool AG500 and Be Quiet Pure Loop 2 FX allow the temperatures to go up to 55 degrees Celsius and higher. The acoustics levels are also great. Even here, the cooler outperforms Be Quiet Pure Loop 2 FX, and it goes head-to-head with the Deepcool AG500. Noise levels reach up to 42 decibels, which means you should not be able to hear the fans, even at high speeds. In terms of installation, the user manual lists 5 simple steps to install the cooler. These are pretty easy to follow, even for beginners, and include installing the mounting bracket, mounting the radiator to the case, and plugging in the cables. However, you must make sure not to forget to apply thermal paste before installing the cooler, since there is no pre-applied thermal paste. That said, the cooler supports Intel LGA 1700 and 1200, among others, along with a much wider AMD chipset support. Starting from AM2 all the way to AM5, your options are unlimited when it comes to AMD. All in all, the Thermalright Frozen Note 240 is a cooler that matches the performance of 360mm radiators, offering exceptional cooling for the Ryzen 5 7600. You'd expect high noise levels for such a show, but even there's not much room for complaints. This is truly an overall champion product. To sum up, what I like is the exceptional cooling, the great price-to-performance ratio, and the competitive price. On the downside, thermal paste is not pre-applied. Thanks for staying till the end. Remember, you can check current prices in the description below. If you're looking to optimize your PC even further, don't stop here. We have more videos filled with suggestions and reviews to help you make the best decisions.